Hello and welcome to Azel's Technologies. This is Amit and this is the part 7 of HTML series. So now today we are going to learn how to create links in HTML. So let's flip to Visual Studio, and here I'm just going to create a new page. So just like a navigation bar, the local navigation bar we used to create. So I'm creating few pages, and for this page I will call it index. This is my index page. So I will call it either home or index. In a similar way, I'm just going to create my another pages, and these pages will be my about, service, and at the last, contact. So let's do for the index first. So I'm just making it as a home, and how we can create this kind of thing. So what we have to do, just like I'll just put the A stand for the anchor, and here I will write href equal. You have to give your file name. So first thing will be my index file, means that will be my home, and I would be representing it as a home. So the next will be my a href equals, and then it will be my about page, so about.html, and here you have to write about. So only this will be your link, and this you will be getting in on your web pages, so that somebody when clicking on the home, they would be redirecting, or it will be connecting with the HTML page. When somebody will be clicking on about, they would be getting this about page. In a similar way, we are going to complete my service page as well. So and at the end, contact.html. So it's saved. Let's run this project. So you can see that we do have home, about, and service, and there is an error in service. So let's check it. The spelling href it should be, and service.html. So now check this. So we're having home, about. So you can see that it is moving to about, but although we have not copied same navigation system on about page, that is why we need to make it back when we will be making on the survey. So you can see on the top, this is the service page, but same stuff is happening here again and again. So what I need to do, if I want the same navigation bar on every page so that we can move frequently, so I have to copy same stuff and have to paste it in inside of about, same into inside of service, and same into my contact. Now save it, run. Now you can see when I will be moving to the contact page, on the contact page all links are available there, so I can frequently move to any page, and you can check out that I am right now on the index page. Now I am onto the about page, you can see on the top, and now you can see I am on the service page and on contact page. So this is your hyperlink, and don't worry if you don't have Visual Studio, you can do the same stuff in your notepad, with your notepad, and even with notepad plus plus. For that, what you need to do, just create anywhere a folder. Let's say that I'm creating my folder in D drive and giving it a name of HTML123. So this is my folder, and you have to save all file here only inside of that, so that it will become your root directory. Now HTML123 will be your root directory. If you will be giving it like another address, so it will be not taking, it will take by default, and you have to save your all files. So I'm just creating here files with notepad, and just opening notepad if you're having only notepad. So don't need to take tension that you don't have Visual Studio or something like this. I'm just copying it, the data, and pasting it here. The coding will be similar. So this is my page, and I'm going to save it. Save as in my D drive. There is HTML123, and I'm giving it the name of index.html. You have to save it and save it. Now another one will be my about. So I'm just changing here, little bit changes about, and saving the file, save as, and it will be my about.html, and I would be saving it like this. In a simple way, I would be going for the third one and saving this file as service.html and saved it. And at the last, same file I'm saving, contact.html, and save it. So here I haven't done anything special, just like we have done so far in Visual Studio. Same href, and the file name is index.html. For you, I'm just creating another new file, and so that you can find it out, html. This is my head section, and I'm giving it a name of test, title close, head close, body, and here I'm just giving it link so that I can connect it. So a href equals, the first one was index.html, double quotes off, and here it will be shown as home, and I need to close my anchor tag. Another way, a href equal about .html, double quotes off, and about, and a off. Simple. So like the way I haven't done so special, so just creating only tools link here, and you can see that this is my test page, and I'm closing my body and closing HTML and saving it as test.html. So I'll just show you that this is my test.html, and I'm running it. So you can see that this is test.html, and this is my home and about. When I will click on home, so you can see that home, about, service page are already there. And if I will click on home, so you can about, you can see that on the top it is about page. Now it is my service page, and now it's my contact page. So don't need to get panic if you don't have Visual Studio, or you can either get Notepad++, or either you can do in the same Notepad. So it's the same, but you have to just keep in your mind that when you are creating any file, you must be creating that inside of a folder so that you can easily line it up. So in the next sessions, when we will be adding some images and all, so we will be doing it folder wise. Otherwise, if you will saving it on a desktop, or one file will be another where, so that will be tough for you to locate them properly, and you will be getting panic because these will be not linking properly. So making them link proper, you have to create your folder, and inside of that folder only you have to save all your files. So I hope so you have enjoyed this video, and please like, comment, and subscribe my channel, because many more yet to come. Thank you so much.